Welcome back to Paris's Kitchen. Today I'll be making veggie frittatas. These are so delicious and super easy to make. You could also freeze them. Yep, I said it. You could make a batch, freeze them, and put one in the microwave whenever you want it. First, we are going to wash our hands. The CDC recommends that we wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. Try humming the happy birthday song twice, or you can count to 20 slowly. All done! I grabbed everything we need to make the recipe, and I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. First, we're going to thinly chop our veggies. This is what makes it super healthy and colorful. I love these frittatas because they remind me of my favorite soup, minus the sausage and bacon. Next, I'm going to heat the oil in the skillet. Now that the oil is hot, we are going to saute our veggies for about 5 to 8 minutes, or until they're tender. Now we're gonna add our par-cooked potatoes. I'm gonna crack my eggs, add a little water to thin them out, and add our seasoning. Now we're gonna whisk them. If you don't have a whisk, a fork will do. Now that our veggies have cooled, we are gonna spoon them in our muffin tins. So I have leftovers, so in the morning, I am gonna have a yummy omelet and put these in it. These look great. Let's test them to make sure they're the recommended 145 degrees. These are good. They'll pair perfectly with a piece of fruit. What would you put in your frittatas? I would love to hear your ideas. Please put a comment below what you put in it.